darlings, welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, hello, my name is LESEDI, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome home, darling. So in today's video, I kind of want to continue the whole conversation of sustainable buying and shopping sustainably and having items that you can wear and style in so many ways, which is the main purpose of this video and why I did this video. So I kind of want you guys to join me in conversation down the comment section below, and let's talk about this. Are you a person that find sustainable shopping in places like Zara? Places like Zara, I mean, have you found items that you've had for quite a while that to this day are still of good quality and you think you'll keep it for as long, and when you washed it, did it get damaged? What is it? So I kind of want you guys to join me in this conversation as I show you guys the items that I have bought at Zara. Now, this is not a seasonal haul per se because we are ending winter, right? We are going into spring in South Africa, so the haul doesn't make sense to the season that we're going to or that we're in. However, though, I want to mention that most of the items that I got here I did buy on the Zara sale. Some are not from the sale, some are off the sale, which is something that I also want to talk about. Do you guys find that Zara's pricing or sale items are sale worthy? Do you still find that for a retailer such as Zara, are their items priced too much? Or you don't mind paying, especially in a sale? I know they do have prices from maybe a t-shirt for like 200 rand, 300 rand, that was previously retailing for maybe 400 rand or 500 rand, 800 rand, 700 rand, and so forth. Do you guys find that Zara is pricing their items fairly, especially in a sale? Are their markups like quite marked up or marked down? So that is something that I would like from you guys, that I would like to hear from you guys what you think. So I want to talk about the items that I have in terms of longevity. Do I think that I'm going to be wearing these items for a long time? Do I think it is worth the price? So let's get right into it. Okay, so I am, like I said, majority of these items are kind of like winter items. So yeah, so I have unboxed these already. The first item, I found this very nice two-piece suit. I think the quality of this item is beautiful. The make is beautiful. This reminded me, I picked this up because it reminded me of a like Chanel tweed. I am kind of obsessed with this type of make. I find that this is the only, not the only, but majority of the items that are in tailoring, in the tailoring section of Zara, are the ones that are done well as opposed to the other items. So I am gravitating towards buying these items a lot more. And not only that, I still do have some items that are quite basic, like your t-shirts, your shirts, and your tops, your blouses and stuff like that, that I feel like they will probably last. But I will admit, I've bought items from Zara that I will come home and I will just wash once and the item is already ruined. So that would make me feel like, okay, it is not worth the price. Then I would feel like I've lost more than I've gained something, which is the whole point of me trying and shop sustainably and try and find items that I will probably wear, not now, but for a long time. So these, I gravitate towards buying tailored pieces, but even with the tailored pieces, I don't think some of them, the quality and the make is not really, I feel like, of a good quality of, or especially when it comes to the price points. I still think that they are very expensive, but this is a beautiful set. It's a two-piece set. It comes with a jacket. It is very thin. I feel like it could have been a little bit more structured, but I really love the fabric. This is quite a delicate fabric, so I might have to be very careful in terms of how I take care of it and how I wash it. Majority of the Zara items are hand washed, so yeah, that is also for the price of it being you know, not a luxury item. I think it's not sustainable in a sense. You really want to wash something and go, but I mean, you know, it is okay for you to spend a little bit of time washing and making sure that your items are washed quite well. So I got this in an extra large, and the price for this was 1,699. Do I think it's too expensive? Yes, I think I could have just paid 1,000 rand for this and not gone beyond like 1,600 rand. I still think it's very expensive, especially if I'm gonna find things like, you know, fabric that is already tearing, there's loose threads on the item, you know, then I feel like 1,600 rand is a little bit too much, you know, but it's quite nice, it's well done. Like I said, I still wish it was a little bit more structured and had a little bit of weight to it, but yeah, I think it's something that can be of a transition, seasonal transition. You'd probably wear it in the fall, probably wear it in now, like summer, winter transitioning into, you know, spring in South Africa. I love the button detailing. How I would style this, wear it with stockings, put on some white heels, I think would go really well with this. I would obviously do some silver jewelry with this. Yeah, because I think it's very chic, it's very young, you know, although it is very like era based, but it's still quite modern. These are the type of items that I think, you know, even you know, they're very classic pieces. You know, you can style them up, you can style them down, but I don't think you can style this sort of piece down. I think it's something that you would wear to height with your girls, you know. Yeah, depending on what type of person you are. I think this is very classic, this is very cute, very classy. So yeah, I would definitely style it in a very classy way. White bag, silver jewelry, maybe some rings, make it modern. Definitely rounded round button earrings with this, white stockings, white shoes, a little bag would look very nice with this. The next item I have is very similar to the other one, just that the difference is the pattern. I think this one is giving the whole structure that I was looking for on that one. That one felt a little bit flimsy, but this one is very structured. This one is a skirt, that one is a skirt. I didn't show you guys that. This is just a skirt, and I got the skirt for 1,200 rand. Again, it's too expensive for me. No, it's too expensive. However, I will say that this one is well made compared to how that one is sold. I think this one is so much better in terms of quality, and there's no a lot of loose threads. Everything is in place. Yeah, this is of better quality, so I guess I don't mind spending 1,200 rand for this sort of item. You know, it is sewn well, it has a little bit of structure, has a little bit of weight, and again, I love a two-piece moment because I can, you know, change it up. Sometimes I could wear the skirt alone, sometimes I could wear the jacket alone, which is what I've done here to show you guys. It's very versatile. I love versatile pieces. It's sort of like giving capsule collection, for example. See, pieces that you can change up. You don't have to wear it as a two-piece. You can separate the pieces and wear the skirt alone or the jacket alone. You know, I love the color. I love the fact that it's also multicolored. The quality of it is so stunning. They didn't put a lining, but they did have, I'm guessing it looks like what is a cotton thing, which would then make it a little bit more breathable and yeah, suitable for the transition weather as well. So I'm not mad at that. It is obviously a winter type of staple, so I wouldn't expect to wear this much during the summer. But however, the skirt though, I can wear it, so I can pair it with a nice cardigan with some heels and a cute little bag. You know, I can wear it together as a two-piece, or if it's a little bit of a colder day, then I will wear this with a little dress. You know, speaking of the dress, I also got this little Bodycon dress. I've been loving these bodycon dresses that Zara make in their basic collections. I think these are such a staple items to have. At the same time, when you wash them, their quality is still great. The quality is very good with these Zara basic dresses. So I have one in a red, I have one in a black, and I think they also do ones in gray and navy. So again, you can wear this with this. It pairs quite well. I love the color payoff that catches onto the jacket, which is very nice. A different pair of shoes, white, you know, accessorize. You can definitely turn a simple outfit into a very nice outfit for work as well. For my corporate girlies, you definitely can rock this at your job and look very demure and cutesy. I don't know why I just said that, but I felt like, you know, it was very fitting, you know. But yes, I got this in a large, and I can't remember how much it retailed for. I can't find the price on it. Yeah, but these are very good quality. I've never had a problem with these Zara basic items, except if they like very delicate and dainty with the, you know, delicate fabric. But these cotton like ones, these are very good to have. These are very versatile. You can dress them casually while chilling at home or at work and change it up, you know, like I said, my corporate girlies with cute heels, or even like a, you know, a daytime lunch with your friends, a quick lunch, you know, when you don't want to do too much. So I never wear my dresses, bodycon dresses, with nothing. I definitely will wear some undergarments, corsetry, or shapewear is what I'm trying to remember. I mean, I like stocking up on them, and now that I have gained a little bit of some curves, I think these look very nicely on my body. Before, I never used to wear bodycon dresses or anything body hugging or body tight things, but now after having a baby, since he gave me some curves, I find myself wearing these quite a bit. You know, they're very easy. Like I said, style it down, style it up, you know. I think it works very well. It is definitely a staple in your capsule collection wardrobe that one should, you know, invest in. And the other item that I have here is this beautiful cardigan. I love cardigans because, again, you know, you can dress them up or down. And Zara has these amazing, beautiful cardigans that are, the quality, the fabric, I love this fabric. It's very beautifully dyed, very delicate as well. It's something that you would probably hand wash. It has these beautiful button stands or buttons, reminding me of my big chunky earrings, my buttoned earrings that look exactly like this. So yes, I feel like this is a very classic item to have. Cardigans are very classic. You can wear them with jeans, you can wear them with long skirts, you can wear them with formal pants. Again, for my corporate girlies, you don't have to be boring at your job. You can wear something that is very, you know, very classy, very classic as well. Make it look very modern. Or if you're like me, you know, you like to wear reference your eras in the way you dress, this is something that is of a great staple. It looks very vintagey, but it's not. So I love something like this, with a skirt and some cute little heels, bangles to accentuate, some, you know, button earrings. Listen, this is definitely a must-have. This is something that I feel like I will probably keep for a while should I take care of it. The quality of it, the fabric, the material is very nice on the body as well. It sits very, very well. So yeah, I think this is something that is going to last me quite a while, depending on what happens after I wash it. It was retailed for $1,099. Again, a little bit pricey, but I could understand why. This is something that I think it is a little bit of an investment piece that looks like, you know, something that I would keep for a very long time and is timeless. Something that is timeless. You want to have items that are quite timeless in your wardrobe, so that even if you don't shop next season, you know, something like this will definitely be relevant, you know, in trends to come. If you're a person who follows trends, this is definitely something that I can call a must-have. Then another stuff that I did stock up on at Zara is a lot of blouses. I will show some clips from my previous video that I shot, you know, that I feel like these are, you know, I love this blouse specifically because again it is giving the exact same thing that the cardigan is giving. Very timeless, very vintage looking. The quality though is not what I'm impressed about. You can definitely see the shredding of the fabric inside. I mean, it's a gorgeous blouse. You know, it's thin, small polka dots. It's giving chiffon. What fabric is this? I'm not too sure what fabric is this. And again, something like this you really have to take care of. You can't iron it, probably steam it at a very low heat. And they say do not dry clean. So I'm a little bit touch and go with Zara's blouses. You will find some that are good quality, but I've really had a bad experience with the blouses at Zara. So for things like blouses like this, I would prefer going high end a little bit, knowing that that is something that you will take care of and it won't tear. But this is very dainty, very thin, and I probably can't keep it up as much, you know. But I think it is a cute blouse. Wear it with a long denim skirt, jeans, tailored pants. You know, it is quite a versatile type of top. If you want to make it chic and modern and very young looking, then you can definitely tuck it in, you know, into your little bra. So how I tuck mine is tuck it into a little bra while you're wearing your bra. And yeah, it looks very cute and it makes you look a little bit younger. So you don't want to wear something that obviously will age you, you know. So it depends. If you want to wear something like this, then the styling will depend on the styling. I've added some sunglasses, a black bag just to break off the white, and some cute little heels. And yeah, I think it works very well with how I styled. Yeah, so another thing that I bought, I didn't try this on, but I just wanted to show you guys the type of shoes I got. These I feel like are very gorgeous. I've been eyeing these for a long minute and thank God I got them on the sale. The one thing about Zara has definitely improved on, I might say, is the shoe quality. Now I have been buying the type of shoes, and it also depends with the pricing. If the pricing of the shoe is higher, then you're definitely gonna get a better quality. But if the pricing of the shoe is less, like around 700, 800, 600, even 5, you'll probably find that the shoe is of normal quality. So yeah, the shoes that I've been styling my outfits with, the first white ones are from Mango, the other white ones are also from Zara, and that is a good quality shoe, as well as these. Now these are the type of shoes that I would definitely wear for holiday. Summer shoes, summer staple. I think these are gonna work really pretty if you're looking for that edge in a shoe. Winter as well, I mean, we could have done them in winter as well. If you're going out but you're gonna stay indoors and you still want to look cute in your fur coat, I think these are also quite, and you want an excuse of a sandal, I think these are also perfect for the winter as well. I think it's quite a versatile shoe to have, and it's chic. Not very comfortable though, because your feet do slide due to the fur, but I think it's a very nice shoe that is wearable with, you know, any sort of way. And I got these for 1,399.
Mommy?
So yeah, I would definitely love to hear your opinions on whether you find it sustainable to purchase items such as I did at a place that is essentially known for you know, fast fashion. So yeah, that concludes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch up with you guys on my next video. Bye.